on your forehead.
He's got it everywhere.
Okay.
No, look at that. Oh, there we go. How does he know to do that?
He discovered that on his own.
Oh, he likes to yell into things that have noise too.
More?
That was excellent. Okay, little thing.
Say bye.
Bye-bye, peekaboo. Bye-bye, Lolly boy.
Peekaboo.
Look at that face.
Can we see your teeth?
Let's see those teeth. Oh, look at those teeth.
No, not your food. Let him, I guess we should let him swallow.
Yeah.
Give him a water course. A water course. Okay. Now let's see your teeth. No? Okay.
The best is to get him to smile. Peekaboo, bunny.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Do your funny dances for him and we'll get him to smile.
No, that's embarrassing.